Hey everyone, I'm Lacey with Living with Lacey. Thank you so much for joining me here. Today, as you can see, I have a new little box in front of me. I am so excited, y'all. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this little Moterm box, just keep watching. All right, y'all, let's just go ahead and get right into it. This video is just inspired by Eat, Pray, Plans. I was watching her video last week and I saw that she had a brand new TN standard planner from, is it really a planner? No, it's a notebook. So she had a new TN, which is a traveler's notebook by Moterm. And I've never had one of these before, so I thought that I would try something new, try something different. All right, so these are the accessories that came with it, and we'll get into those in a moment. Here we go. Y'all ready? Ta-da! Y'all know I love black. I love the color black. I'm so excited. I told you I was getting something new. If you watched my last video, I told you that I had something new coming in. Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all, so nice. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So like I said before, this is by Moterm, and this is the Traveler's Notebook, the standard Traveler's Notebook. I don't know much about it. I'm not an expert on this, but for what I'm going to use it for, this is just going to be amazing. So it comes in 3 colors. I got it from Amazon. First of all, let's just talk about the packaging. I love this box. This is just beautiful packaging. I love the packaging. And so here we go. Let's talk about it. So this right here, I guess, holds in the string. This wraps around the TN to hold it in right here. And that's how that'll look. And y'all, what I really like, these things patina, so they get kind of old and scratched up, and that makes it really cool. So inside here you get 3 different notebooks. All of the notebooks are grid. All of them are grid. That's one. Oh no, sorry. No, not all grid. You get 1 grid, you get 1 lined, and then you get a blank. Okay, grid, line, and a blank. I went ahead and ordered some more of these notebooks, and I ordered 3 more in grid. I thought about getting dot, but I'm not really going to do bullet journaling, and I think what I can do in what I have here. Okay, so this, let's just go ahead and check this out. This right here, this cardstock goes in here as well. How this works. I know some of y'all that's used these before is like, what is she doing? I'm learning, guys. I'm gonna use these for photos, to keep my photos in. So that's just a little pocket. So you have a pocket here and a pocket there, and that's what I'm gonna use to keep my photos in. Did I tell y'all what I was using this for? I'm going to use this for journaling and memory keeping. So that's what I'm adding to my lineup this year, journaling and memory keeping. All right, then it comes with this little pouch. There's a zipper pouch, and I saw Rebecca took this off so it doesn't make any indentions inside of your notebook. And then there's some pockets right here, so large pocket right here. And then on the back, it has 3 pockets right here. Okay, so let's see if I can get this figured out. I want this to go in the front, I think. Nope, I want it to go in between these 2 notebooks. See how that works. Yep, that works just fine. Okay, let's see. And I think this is thick enough just to hold 3. It might can hold more, because I got some extra string, so I think that's what this is for, if you want to add more to, or make it longer, so you want to add more and make it thicker, because there would be some room in here, but I think I'm just going to use 3 at a time. All right, let's see what else we have. All right, then we have a pen loop. All right, so I saw that some people put them on the front and others put them on the back because I think it does make some type of indentation, and they were saying they didn't want to have that indentation in the front. Nice. All right, nice pen loop. Oh yeah. Okay, that's nice. This right here, I guess if you want to make it shorter, if y'all know something about this that I don't know, y'all let me know. So I think this is if you wanted to make it shorter. It doesn't come with instruction, and this is longer. So now I'm gonna take. And then there's a little charm on here as well. So I can get this off. Y'all, I thought this was a great price too. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this offline because I need to figure this out. Yay! I did it, y'all. I did it. This is what my new Moterm Traveler's Notebook looks like. I wish this was gold. I wish that was gold because they gave you this gold, old gold charm. This right here is gold. That would be really cool if that was gold. But I have it on the back, and that's okay. I am really excited to use this. So I drew out a picture today, and what I'm thinking about, one of the extra notebooks that I ordered was a monthly. So I'm going to take out probably the lined one. Probably take out the lined one. And I'll put the monthly in here. So I'm going to do a monthly. And I think I'm putting gratitude on the monthly. And then this is like this Hobonichi style where I can do like a little journal entry. And then pictures for the week would be over here. I'm thinking about that. That's an idea. So I think it's going to just take time for me to use it. Yeah, I think this is cool. But I think this kind of lends itself to that journaling and crafting that I want to do. So the thing is, I used to be a scrapbooker, and I love doing scrapbooking. I stopped scrapbooking because of my kids. They were adults. And so now I just decided that I was just going to kind of add my love for scrapbooking back along with journaling. And I think that's going to work out for me. So today I just wanted to unbox this for you. The next time you see this, I will be setting it up for the month of November, and you can go along with me. So let me know if you have any questions about this TN. Let me know if you even have one. I love the way this feels. I'm so excited to have it and start using it. I got it for my 2023 lineup, but I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and start using it in November. All right, so stay tuned and let me know what you think about this video. Thank you. Have a great week.